we're going to be testing quick review those 3 type of FM transmitter. We'll start with this one first. This one, it's really cool and it has a very good quality sound. Also, so 2 buttons here in the side. This is on and off, power button, and the channel button. This one to answer. This B letter is for bass sound or regular sound, and it has a fast charging 3.0 and PD 20 watts type C. This is for SD card, MP3, so you can insert like a USB or to play music from your SD card. And it's really cool, small, but it's really high quality and it's really good. This button here, press hold to change the channel, press up for volume down, volume up, and also when you press and hold, you can change the FM channel. So let's test this one quickly and see how does it work. So first of all, insert this to cigarette lighter output. Here you can see 9.41. You can change this channel any desired channel. Press hold, go left, or channel up or channel down. See, let's put it on, for example, 94.3. Now this is 94.3. Go to the radio, press power, FM. I already choose 94.3. Now if you choose scan, this may be a little tricky because it cannot take you directly to your channel desire here. Let's try to press scan.
Miles Franklin Award. She's
Start each and every week. Décembre 2023, donc évidemment, on a pas vu.
So this is auto scan, also takes you to the
area. She grew up in
the channel design here, to the FM transmitter. 94.3, 94.3. Now turn this one off.
Her first novel was called Plains of Promise. It explores the
Now to choose the channel, you need to choose an empty channel, like not used channel. If your car must have like either manual, this is really good to choose, or scan. So if you choose manual, choose anyone, like for example, see, those are all good to use.
rolling. Hey.
See, pretty much 90.7. Now let's choose 90.7. Press hold. Keep holding. Go down. A little bit down. 90.8. 90.7. So make sure this one 90.7. Otherwise you don't get good sound quality. Press hold. 90.7. 90.7. This is ready to go. Now we're gonna test it and see the sound quality. So there is one cool feature about this FM transmitter. If you press the power button here, this side, press, change the color. You see that? Green, purple, blue, red, off. Press again, and that's how you change the color from here. There is one important thing about the FM transmitters. It's only can connect on one phone only. So if you have a different smartphone, it won't work even if you scan with Bluetooth. So make sure only one smartphone connected to this one. Next step is on your smartphone, go to Bluetooth and open it, scan, you'll see it's called BT bar. Click on it, wait for a few seconds, it says Bluetooth, or say car, okay, you hear the sound, that means it's connected, and it's also here, it says connected. Now let's play music and hear the sound. Okay, now let you hear the sound. You can lower the volume from here up and down. Or here. As you hear, sound quality is fantastic, very clear, and it has a noise cancellation, and it's pretty good. More details in the link description. Now the second FM transmitter is this Model 2. More details in the link description too. This one is really cool, very simple to use. Also it has a MP3 SD or USB insert ready to play, and you can charge also fast charging 3.1 ampere. This one also pretty much easy to use. Let's hook it up. And okay, so as soon as you hook it up, you'll see 107.9. Let's put this one on 10.79. Turn the radio on, FM, and you can scan or just go manual if you have in your car. This one 107.9. 107.9, 107.9. Now make sure the match number exactly, so you can have the best quality, loud and clear. Okay, now next step is you go to your phone. Next step is you go to your smartphone, open Bluetooth, let us search. Usually it's auto search, and you will find it's called car Bluetooth. Click on it, wait until it's pair. You will hear the sound, say okay. Connected. When you press here, you see calls and audio, so 2 in 1. Okay, now you can play music. Let's test the music. If you remove this or you turn the car off, you put it back in.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Connected. Hear the music again.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Drive and you get a call, you can simply press this and you answer phone calls. If you want to change the color, you want to change the channel number, press and hold. You press and hold. Now you can change. Let's put this one here. If you want to, anytime you want to change the channel number, all you need to do, just press and hold. When you see this flashing, now you can change it. See, that's how you change up, more channel, or this way. Okay, for example, if I want to change it to 87.8, 87.8, let's go here, change it to 87.8. 87.8.9. This is 87.9. 87. Press hold. 87.9. Make sure this number exactly matching this in order to have best sound quality, loud and clear. If you press this, we'll go to the next track music. Next. This is the previous one. This next. Okay. And the voltage shows the voltage here. 7 voltage is 14 FM. You can, when you press FM here, you can also press, when you see flashing, you can change the channel from here or here, or you can press and hold, either way. If you press once, if you play music and you press once, we'll stop the music, pause the music, press again, and music will play again. If you play music and someone calls you, you want to answer, press once, and that will answer automatically. So this one has a good sound quality. I'll let you listen. This one, I mean, if you call using your smartphone, either calling or someone calls you, maybe the sound is not very clear, but music, it's really good and it's fantastic. Let's go to the third FM transmitter. Hello everyone. So this one is the third type of FM transmitter. I'll also put a link in the description below, more details about it. This one is really cool, and you can see it has a SD card there to play your music. Find a micro SD card, insert here, and you can play MP3 music. Also, if you have a USB card, you can insert here. So SD card or storage or something, it says here, you see music 1.0A, and it's ready. This one for charging. That has a this one, press once for answering, or press, if you play music, press once to pause the video or pause the music. This one, channel, channel here, up, channel down, volume up, volume down, or to when you play music, press hold, that will go to volume up, press hold, down, volume down. Press once, next track or next sound or next song. Okay, let's put this one in and see test the sound quality. Now this one also, it's really cool. Okay, let's go to channel. Channel is this one. To change the channel, press and hold like that. See, channel more up, press hold, channel down, press once, and you can change it number by number. So for example, if I let's see, which channel is this? 96.3, 96 96.3. Open radio and go to, you can scan, auto scan, or you can choose manually. Let's choose manually fast. 96.3. Yeah, 96.3. Now this one is ready to go. Next step is go to your smartphone, open Bluetooth, and you will see it's called BT car connected. Okay, and it's ready to go. It's connected now. Let's play music and test the sound. Put the volume up, volume down. That's all the way. So sound quality is fantastic, very loud and clear. It has a noise cancellation. It's really good. Now let's check those buttons quickly. This is channel up, channel down. Press and hold for volume. Press and hold volume up. Press and hold volume down. Press once to go to the next song or next track. If you someone calls you, or all you need to do, press once like that. Press, and this one also will pause the music you're playing. Press again, continue playing. So that's it for this video. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and hope to see you next time.